All right, we got this unit today. Some duct board. It's gonna be a fresh install. So yeah, we're gonna get going on this. First we gotta demo everything out and disconnect all the wires, get all the power off. We already got all the power off out the breaker box. We're just gonna be changing all this stuff. So here we go. So I took the doors off, so now it's just about disconnecting everything. I always say pay attention to the wiring and how they had it, because if you're just going for like, you just want to make sure you don't mess up those wires, because you could blow the transformer or anything really. But yeah, so we're going to be putting on that new unit. But this is the old unit here. All right, so that old unit is out. It's out here in the driveway. I'm gonna show you guys that. This is the new unit. I already started unboxing it. Got to put a heat pack in there, and the heat pack goes up here. So I got to take this plate off, take the door off, and that's the unit. That's the new unit going in. All right, so this is the new unit, how it looks inside before you put the heat pack in there, the coil down there. This is paperwork. Throw that to the side for now. We've got the rubber gaskets and stuff. Got the transformer fuse, all that good stuff. So I got to take this plate off, like I said. So it's usually just 2 screws. I like to keep those screws because you never know when you might need them. Take that plate off. Now we got to unbox the heat pack. So the heat pack usually comes in 10 kW, 15 kW. Looks like this is a 8.9, so 10. Yeah, 10 kW comes with that packet with screws and all that good stuff. So this is a new heat pack right here. So I'm filming some stuff. Oh yeah. Yeah. Going on the YouTube channel. Oh yeah. So new heat pack there. Yeah, I always like to have that Tutco or whatever manufacturer make it. I like to have that up top, or where it's facing me. But that's how you want it. All right, heat pack's in. I just gotta connect it, the wires. So this is the wire if you were just gonna put it on cool instead of just heat. So you just hook up power there. You just hook up right there, it would be there, and you just hook up your AC there and be pretty much done. But with the heat pack, you gotta do some extra stuff, but it's okay.